Heartbeats on the track. Heartbeats on the track.
You know, this just a real nigga shit, your real nigga story, you know what I'm saying?
This beat is so
Ice like a bunch of narcotics. Pull up in a new Rari. Living like John got it. Chopping bricks like karate. Drink a bunch of codeine. Serving to the dope fiends. Blowing money, stay clean. Michael Jackson, Billie Jean. Got a Panamera, round a young nigga hit. Got a young bitch, pull it up in a Vic. Smoke a lot of kush, and I have a lot of sick. Had to beat the grind up, ran up my chick. Bitch, a nigga get money, nigga get bad. Roll up, blood up, run it, nigga sell a lot of crack. You can hear a nigga line, order what you want. I can whip up Maserati, pull it up or don't. 50,000 on your watch, young nigga splurge. How a ace spade, out a sipper, out of service. Keep a young nigga working at a boss a K. I'ma take a phone call, hustle every day. What? Ice like a bunch of narcotics. Pull up in a new Rari. Living like John got it. Chopping bricks like karate. Drink a bunch of codeine. Serving to the dope fiends. Blowing money, stay clean. Michael Jackson, Billie Jean. Whipping up a cake just to go and snatch a spider. Young nigga play with keys like a typewriter. Yeah, Al Capone, John got it, was a nigga idol. Hard, I was never snitching, I can put it on a bottle. I promise. In a four-door Beamer, driving with a rifle. Nigga, where you at? Nigga, we gon' pull up on you right now. Young bitch, looking like Janet in the 80s. We was grinding from a two and a baby. Got the girl dripping wet like a Jerry curl. Got this styrofoam cup and it full of syrup. Send it over from New Mexico and let me work. I can't get 36 for a clean shirt. Ice like a bunch of narcotics. Pull up in a new Rari. Living like John got it. Chopping bricks like karate. Drink a bunch of codeine. Serving to the dope fiends. Blowing money, stay clean. Michael Jackson, Billie Jean. Who bad?
Pop a lot of pain pills. About to put rims on my skateboard wheels. Yeah. 2 cell phones ringing at the same time. That's your hoe. Calling from 2 different phones. Hate relationship with Molly. I'd rather pop a ollie. And my dick is a trolley. Boy, I bury you like Holly. The knees so say I'm blind. Cause I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grime. And I just received a package. Them other niggas taxing. And my pocket's so fat. I'm starting to feel contractions. And my cousin went to jail for them chickens. And he already home. And that nigga must be snitching. Cut him off like karate.
Ice like a bunch of narcotics.
Heartbeats on the track.